Stop listening to the end of work fairy tales. Elon Musk calls it abundance. I call it obsolescence. In 2026, Tesla paused production lines to make room for humanoid robots, while Jeff Bezos and Nvidia poured nearly $700 million into figure AI. Why? Because they are betting on a simple economic truth. The moment a robot costs less than you don't get optional work. You get evicted from the economy. Let's look at the unit economics. Right now, you, the human, are expensive. You need 30,000 pounds a year, you need sleep, you get sick, and you unionize. Enter Optimus. Target price, $20,000. One time. Running cost? Pennies in electricity. Uptime? 24/7. Do the math. A factory owner can buy a fleet of robots for the cost of just 1 year of your salary. After year 1, their labor is free. Yours is still a liability. This isn't science fiction. It's a balance sheet, and you are in the red. If you want to know how to survive the great displacement without relying on a government handout, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We track this transition every Tuesday and Friday to keep you ahead of the curve. They sell you this future as a utopia, universal high income, where you paint and write poetry while robots do the dishes. But here's the trap. If you don't work, you don't earn. If you don't earn, you depend on the state. And who funds the state? The robot owners. Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia. They are building a monopoly on labor itself. It's not post-capitalism, it's techno-feudalism. We're watching the biggest consolidation of power in history. Are you betting on UBI to save you? Tell me in the comments. I want to know if you think the state will actually provide. This is where it gets dangerous. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs lost. When the middle class vanishes, the tax base collapses, and governments will be forced to print money just to keep the lights on. The result is hyperinflation. Your UBI check might be $2,000, but a loaf of bread will cost $200. The robot owners won't care. They live in a deflationary world of cheap goods while you live in an inflationary world of scarce assets. 2 economies, 1 planet. Musk is right about one thing. Labor will become optional, but eating is mandatory. The only way to survive the age of abundance is to stop being a laborer and start being an owner. Own the equity, own the land, own the robots. Because if your only asset is your ability to work, you are holding a melting ice cube. The transition has already started, and most people are looking the wrong way. To see exactly how the algorithmic cage is being built, watch the recommended video on your screen right now, and explore our other deep dives on the channel to stay shielded. I will see you Friday. Subscribe.